I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for business leaving Cert. Begin by thoroughly reviewing the syllabus to identify all core areas and learning outcomes. Create a structured study timetable, dedicating specific blocks of time to each topic, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Prioritize understanding concepts over rote memorization. This foundational approach will build a strong base for more advanced study techniques. To study effectively, transform your textbook information into concise notes and visual mind maps. This active processing helps embed knowledge more deeply. Practice active recall by quizzing yourself regularly, trying to remember key definitions and theories without referring to your materials. Consider forming a study group. Discussing topics with peers can clarify difficult concepts and offer new perspectives. For exam success, it's crucial to practice answering questions under timed conditions, simulating the actual exam environment. Focus on structuring your answers logically, using clear headings and relevant examples to maximize your marks. Pay close attention to the marking scheme and examiner reports. They highlight common errors and provide insights into what examiners are looking for. This targeted practice is invaluable. As you approach the exam, consolidate all your study materials into a concise revision guide for quick review. Focus your final efforts on areas where you feel less confident, dedicating extra time to strengthen those weaknesses. Remember to maintain a balanced lifestyle, including adequate rest and nutrition. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.